Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install a reporting service point. Okay, please subscribe this channel for more videos. Let me open console. Okay, under monitoring reports. Okay, here there isn't any reports. Once we after installing reporting service point, then we can able to see here default reports. Okay, before installing reporting service point here, we need to check in SQL whether reporting service point is installed or not. Here, report service point is not installed. Okay, for that we need to download reporting service point. Okay, I will give the link in description, then you can able to download. Okay, around 105 MB is there. Okay, I will give the description. Okay, this is the file. 104 MB is there. I already copied it to share location. Okay, let's go to SCCM server. You can directly install that one. Okay, go to Z drive. This is the file. Let me install this file. Click on install. I don't have any product key. I'm selecting free edition. Click on next, accept the license. Click next, next. You can select the installation directory. If you want any other folder, click next. Okay, it will take 5 minutes of time to install. Okay, after that, it will come like pop-up will come post installation to configure reporting service points. We can configure after installing. Okay, you can wait. Okay, installation is completed. We need to configure now reporting server. Okay, let me configure now. Click connect. Here service should be start stage. Don't stop now. Okay, now service account. I'm giving service account here. Okay, click on apply. Okay, forgot slash here. Okay, click on apply. Now go to web URL. Here I'm not changing anything. I'm keeping as it is. Then go to click on apply. Now go to databases. Here we need to select the database. I'm creating new reporting server database. Click next. Here is the normal database server, SCCM database server. Click next. Here is a reporting. We can give any name for reporting service databases. Click next. Here is the credentials you can give. Click next. Click next. Okay, click on finish. Okay, go to web URL. Here, whatever the URL you need to give, you can give. Like if you can give custom URL as well here. After reports, whatever the changes here, it is changing URL as well. After that, click on apply. Then email settings, everything is not required. The email settings required for SSRS subscriptions. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, let's go to exit. Now we need to configure reporting service point in SCCM server. Go to console and administration, site configuration, sites. Select the site on which site you need to install role. Click on add roles. Okay, click next. Click next. I'm selecting reporting service point. Click next. Okay, we need to clear checking everything. Like click on verify. Okay, successfully verified. Okay, here also it is configured properly. If you are not configured previous reporting service point SQL, then you able to see errors. We cannot able to select this one. Okay, I'm giving existing account. Click next. Here is the summary. Whatever the you selected previously, here is the summary. Then click next. Okay, now let's go to logs and monitor there. Go to C drive, program files, configuration manager, logs, arrange by date modified, site component log. Okay, I think CM trace is not there. Let me take CM trace first. Configuration manager, logs, site component log. Where is this? Okay. Here we can able to see reporting service point installation. Okay, now it is started. Okay, boost this bootstrap service. It will start installing. Like see here, roles setup.exe.sms rs. This is the command line for installing reporting service point. Okay, same way we can monitor in MSI log as well. This is the MSI log and this is a setup log SRS. Okay, click on MSI log. Can able to monitor reporting installation. Same way we can configure in SSRS setup log. Once MSI is completed, then we can able to see here MS setup is completed. Okay, exit code 0. Now, if you go to reports, we can able to see the URL and reports as well. Okay, this is the report URL. If you click on this, you can able to see here. It is asking for passwords. Let me enter. Click on add. Same way, if you go to the reports as well, you can able to see here list of the reports. Still it is empty because it will take some time. We can monitor. Same way here also. No need to do anything. It will take some time. Okay, just now component got started. Okay, can able to see in SMS.exe log. Okay, let me refresh here. Okay, now started report. Okay, it will one by one it will show here. We go to console. I think it is taking more time. Let's wait. Still now logs reports got started creating. See if you see log SRS RP log. Can able to see reports. What are the reports are creating now? If you refresh the link now, can able to see the folders here. See, in the same way we can able to see in reports as well. See now 31 are came. It will take. It will come more than 100 reports will show here. Okay. Still reports are coming. You can able to see monitor the log how many reports are deployed as of now. Okay, let's refresh. 31, 49. Okay, this is the way to configure like a reporting service point. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Bye.